everybody, today it's me and Morgan. As you can see, he's got his own gig going on today. If you guys haven't had a chance to check out his channel, he's building one right next to our channel. So his is called the Disney Lorax, guys, and that's going to be connected up with the links and stuff through our descriptions and stuff like that in our videos. But we're at the Disney Springs Harley-Davidson shop, as you can see in the picture right there. We got that nice Harley-Davidson sitting right as you guys walk in. You got the gas tanks on the wall. And every now and then we like to get over here and film this one. And we've had a couple of people that want us to get over here and shoot this and the Ron Jon Surf Shop. So I'm going to try to do a more in-depth look at what they have over here at the Harley shop. And this one is at the Disney Springs section. So it's right next to the World of Disney. Give you guys a look at some of the decals and stuff like that. Some of the, they got signs, decals, they've got mugs, cars, toys, you name it, it's in here. Here's a look at some of their little die-cast toys and stuff like that. They got lots and lots of shirts, clothing, and apparel in here, guys. It's a pretty deep store. Now, over the years, they've changed his shop a lot. It's been all over the place, mostly over on the west side, but now it's over here right next to the World of Disney store. So they moved it over near the Ron Jon shop. And here's a look at some of the shirts. And these shirts are pretty bad, man. You come walking in and they're bad. Some of these are pretty awesome looking. Now, I have asked them in the past if they were ever going to do a Mickey Mouse and Harley-Davidson, because I think those would be some pretty awesome shirts. You know, if you're a Harley person and you like the Harley shops and stores, you want to get some cool different merchandise. And now you got a lot of guys that come in here that might not like Disney World, but like to come in here while their kids are out doing what they're doing. They're visiting the Harley shops, the Ron Jon Surf Shop. So, you know, nothing better than the skeleton Mickey Mouse. You got even the Mickey Mouse on the Harley, the characters on the Harleys. I'm sure you could do it in a way where it comes across as being a tough look, like the Harley always comes across as a nice hard branded shirt. That is a whole window, and they said that they're actually, I think that's in the talks, in the works, or I don't know if there's issues with it, but they said that they already know about that and they've looked into it and stuff, so I don't know if it's ever going to happen. I'd like to see it, because I think I'd like to buy some shirts and stuff. But this is a pretty decent sized store. You've got jewelry and stuff, the jackets. You've got a couple of bikes too here that you can pose on if you want to sit on them and stuff like that. You've got a lot of the cool Harley hats in here, whether it's a baseball hat cap or the ones like that, the winter style cap that you wear on your head. It's all the trendy stuff. You got some of the old garage looking Harley shirts and stuff like that. The older crowd's going to want to be wearing that. Here's a look at one of these back ones. There's a look at their red, white, and blue Harley. That's the one that most people come in and want to get their pictures on and stuff like that. But this is the Harley shop once again. Morgan's going to be doing his own version of this store, so if you guys get a chance, check it out at the Disney Lorax. And we'll have the info and the links posted on the website also at the Country Bear Tours. So they give you a better idea what they have in here. His camera might have a little different angles in mind, but you can see all the different things they have in this little shop. So once again, guys, if you need a store posted, let us know. We'll get that done for you. See you guys in a little bit.